and happy weekend. I hope you're doing well. This message is for those people who think they can't meditate because their life is too busy or they can't stop their racing mind. The truth is, if you think you can't meditate because your life is too busy, you're the one who needs the meditation the most. And if you can't stop your racing mind or overthinking, the meditation is not the luxury for you, but most likely it's a medicine that you need. So I telling you this because I was one of those people who think that I'm too busy to meditate. And when life finally brought me to the point when I kind of have to try that, so my life changed in every possible direction. And from my experience and what I learned, that meditation evolved or evolving from the ancient type of meditation when people had to sit in silence, cross-legged and emptying their mind and looking for enlightenment. It's, it's not really suitable for our modern world anymore because our world is very noisy and very demanding. And we need to learn different ways to meditate to fit in our modern life, right? So, and everybody needs different ways or different type of meditation to calm their body, to tap into their inner world. And especially women, um, we are different. Like man can use same type of meditation to meditate forever, but um, women need to some women need to change meditation type every single day. I'm one of them. Like one day I like to sit quietly and with music, and another day I need to turn on some tribal music, close my eyes, and dance hell out of this body to release that energy. And that works for me because I can, every day is different. Every day I have a different energy. We and women, we are like Mother Nature. We're always changing. We always have different needs. So imagine your energy like tiny little pieces that scattered everywhere, like in your thoughts, in your other people's expectations, anywhere where your body or mind travels. And when you meditate, you bring all these pieces together to yourself. You bring, it's like you returning your energy back. Because if we won't do that, and most of the people don't do that yet, that's why we feel overwhelmed. That's why we feel scattered. That's what we can't focus. Then we feel exhausted. So meditation is give you that wonderful gift to re-energize yourself. And it doesn't have to be, you know, for a long time. It doesn't have to be even for 15 minutes. It, sometimes just 2, 3, or 5 minutes, it's just enough. And like you can just sit and close your eyes and just focus on your breathing. That's all. And maybe scan your body gently, see where the tension is, and just inhale and exhale. That's all, 2, 3 minutes. Or in the morning when you make your tea or coffee, and just hold that wonderful cup feel the warmth in your hands. It's like it's very grounding when you feel that warmth. Just noticing that, because sometimes we just rush through those things. Just sit with your cup of coffee or tea or warm water, whatever you drink. It just and hold it and feel that warmth, and close your eyes and take a deep inhale. And maybe there's 1,000 thoughts racing in your head, like, what am I going to do today, my to-do list, and how am I going to resolve this, or you know we know how life is. And you just drop from your head to your heart and breathe, and then gently ask yourself, what do I need today? What is my heart craving today? And just listen, just for a moment. Whatever drops like first thought, maybe it's peace, maybe it's certainty, maybe it's safety, maybe you need love. Whatever it is, just acknowledge it, noticing that. And, just take another deep inhale. And maybe you can, be grateful for one thing in your life. Or maybe it's just grateful for this day and for being alive. That's all. And open your eyes and see how your energy shifts. And of course, meditation is a practice or a skill that requires, like, more you doing it, then better it gets. But if you try to do something like this for like every day for 3 weeks, like 2-3 minutes, that's it. It doesn't take long. But just acknowledge yourself, acknowledge your heart, acknowledge what you need. Maybe, it will be just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes until you turn on that crazy TV and listen to those news. But that's okay. If you do that every day, it accumulates. It, like, if you, statistic shows, like, for consistently, like even 5 minutes a day for 3 weeks, you will see changes start happening. Like, not sudden, like drastic changes, but maybe something subtle. Like, you become less reactive, you become more forgiving, you start paying more attention to yourself and other people. It's just like you slowly, minute by minute, you turn, or you come back to yourself. You start feeling like yourself. It's amazing. So it's the best gift you can give it to yourself. So grab or give yourself those 2, 3, 5 minutes a day. Try it and let me know what started changing for you.